I just used Claude to create a digital product that I can sell this week. And you can literally copy this workflow. You don't need to learn design skills. You don't need to know coding. You just need to know how to prompt Claude. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create the same, to create the digital product that you can sell this week. As you can see, I'm a mom and I work from home. I work from the comfort of my home. So my office is everywhere. Today, my office is in the kitchen because the kiddos have taken over the living room and every other place. So I'm left with my kitchen. All right. So guys, welcome to my home office, my kitchen. So I created this amazing digital product using Claude, something I can sell this week, and it can make me a lot of money. I'm going to show you how to do the same. And I'm going to tell you as well how to grab a copy of this digital product that I created. Now, like I said, you don't need to understand design skills. You just need to know how to prompt Claude very well. Now, most people think you need weeks or you need to learn how to use Canva to build digital products. And that has been the case in the past. But now it's different. AI has made everything easy. AI has changed it. In this video, I'm using Claude to go from zero, absolutely zero, to a product I can sell this week. So I'm assuming you're a beginner, you don't know how to use Canva, you're a beginner to Claude, right? So we're going to do it. Now, the first thing you need to do when you want to create a digital product with Claude is to pick a problem people will pay you to solve. So you don't need to overthink it, okay? The best products that people will pay for are the ones who solve a clear problem for a specific niche. Now, you don't have to come up with that idea yourself. You're going to prompt Claude. And so I'm going to start recording my screen here so that you can see my computer, how I'm prompting Claude and how you're going to do it as well. All right. All right. So this is my Claude dashboard. And the first thing we're going to do is you're going to prompt Claude. And you don't need Claude Pro for this, by the way. You're going to say, give me 10 digital product ideas for women over 30. Now, do your own niche. Whoever you're talking to, your target audience. My target audience is women over 30 who want to start making money online using AI. All right. Each idea should solve one painful problem and be simple enough to create in under 48 hours. So I'm going to send that. And we're going to wait for the answer. So now you can see that Claude has given us the answer. It says, here are 10 digital product ideas built for a 48-hour build window. Okay, number one, the AI side income in 5 prompts. All right, from resume to reels, LinkedIn to content repurposer kit, the first $1,000 offer pricing calculator, AI employee startup pack, the corporate blah blah blah. You know, Claude has given me all of these ideas, which is great, right? Now we're going to pick one of the ideas that Claude has given us. All right, and I think I would pick, which one should I pick, guys? I think I've already created my own, so this video is mainly for content purpose. I would show you the one I created myself. All right, so let us say the corporate to confident 30-day AI fluency challenge. And we're going to pick this. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. Now, the next step, and what we're going to do now is we're going to go back into Claude. We've said we're going to pick the corporate to confident 30-day AI fluency challenge. I'm going to go into Claude again, and I'm going to respond with, no, not with this one. I'm going to respond with this prompt. Okay. You are an expert creator of beginner-friendly digital products. Write a practical step-by-step PDF guide called, now I'm going to choose my title. All right. I'm going to, where is it? Called, yeah, this is it. And I'm going to paste it right here. All right. Audience, women over 30, no tech background, want to start making money online with AI. Include 5 simple AI side hustles they can start this week. Okay, exact tools to use, 7-day action plan, a checklist they can print, keep it clear, encouraging, and in under 15 pages. All right, so we're going to send that. And we're going to wait for Claude to also build this for us. This is super amazing. So now you can see that Claude is saying is loading my digital product builder skill, and that's because I have a skill on Claude that I have built to help create digital products. So every time I ask Claude to build a digital product, it goes and builds it. So it's going to build this one on my brand. All right, but of course when you're building yours, it's not going to be the same. Now, one thing I always encourage people to do is to always test things. Now, as you continue to learn on YouTube, learn things, test them. The first digital product you put up may not move, like people may not buy it. You may not sell $1 out of it. But as you continue doing it, the more you do it, the better you become at it. And one day you're just going to put one up there, and then people are going to, totally run after you to buy it. So keep doing it, keep sharpening your skills all the time. We're still waiting for Claude to build this digital product, because now that Claude is using my digital product builder skill, the skill that I've created for that is very, very thorough. So whenever it's building a digital product using that skill, it goes on and on, because I've asked it to build a lot of stuff. So it's going to keep building it, and I'm going to be back to show you guys once it's done building it. Now, while we wait for Claude to complete our digital product, I want to invite you to the Empire Academy. In the Empire Academy, we're learning all of these AI tools and how to use them to make money from the comfort of our home. Like I tell everybody, I've been working from home for the past 8 years, and I haven't looked back since then. So in the Academy, we're learning the skills. Last month, we had a 30-day AI challenge where we learned a lot of AI tools. And this month, we're literally mastering those tools. Okay. So I invite you to join us. It's an amazing academy. And for everyone who joins, you're getting access to the Empire Suite, and you're also getting access to the free ebook that I've created for you to be able to master Claude to use to make money online. Also, my team has told me that most of the people watching my videos are not subscribed. So I want to beg you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss my videos. All right, and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it so far. All right, guys, so Claude is done, and Claude has given us 5 files. I'm going to explain all the files that Claude has given to us. It has given us the actual guide, the Corporate to Confidence 30-Day AI Fluency Challenge guide. It has given it to us in PDF and Word, okay, because the skill on Claude has asked it to do that. Then the 30-day tracker. I'm going to show you all of this one after the other. So this is the digital products Claude has built for us. Can you see how beautiful it turned out? How to use this guide, finding your footing. Can you see how beautiful? Like when you buy ebooks online, do they look better than this? I bet they do not. All right. So that's the first file. And this is the second file. I think this is the same one in Word document. So you can deliver it to your clients in different ways. I always like to deliver to my clients in PDF, Word, and HTML. That way they have several ways they can look at it. All right. Now this is a tracker. The tracker is also part of, the digital product. Can you see? You give this to your client. Check off each day as you complete it. Just one line about what you learned or what surprised you. By day 30, this page is proof of a month you actually showed up for. Amazing. All right. Super amazing. This is also the tracker in a document file. And then this is the launch kit. I'm going to open the launch kit. I don't know why it's taking it a while to open. All right, this is the launch kit. So it's showing us how to launch. This is the product's name, your storefront sales and description. So when you go list this on the storefront, on Beacons, right, or on Etsy, this is the description for you. This is the price and keywords for listing it. So you can see that Claude typically does everything for you. And then your launch checklist, lead magnets suggestion. So you can use it as a lead magnet, or you can sell it this week. Now let me go ahead and show you the one Claude built for me. It's called the prompt to profit, how real women are earning online with Claude AI. And this is by me. Now I created this ebook from everything in my head. I like to feed Claude with a lot of stuff. And so I created this ebook with everything in my head. And you can see that this is an HTML that you can work with. It can take you to page 3. You know, it's an amazing ebook. And for everyone who joins the Empire Academy this week, I'm going to be giving them this ebook free of charge, and also access to the Empire Studio, Empire Suite. You're going to see that studio and you're going to love it. Okay. So this is an amazing ebook, and 2 of the ladies who have read it has seen how they can turn Claude. It just basically teaches you how you can use Claude to make money from the comfort of your home. So if you want this book for free, I'm not selling it. I'm giving it for free to everyone who joins the Empire Academy. So go ahead and join it. Now, after you have downloaded your files from Claude, all right, you go ahead and go to Beacons. I'm going to link Beacons there for you. You go to Beacons and list it on Beacons. You can sell it, use it as a lead magnet, so that when people get it, you can get their emails and all of that. And this is how Claude can help you build something from nothing, and help you create income from the comfort of your home in less than 30 minutes. Now, I want to encourage you to continue using all these tools as you learn them, using all these things as you learn them, okay? Because before you know it, then you'll be able to start to earn income as well, right? The more you do it, the better you become. And as you learn it, also go ahead and teach someone about it, all right? I hope you found this video helpful. I really hope you do. And if you have, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you have an amazing day. My name is Deborah. Ciao, ciao.